What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. I know, I've been really bad with posting, but yeah, man's been busy. Enough said, let's move on. Today, you're probably wondering why I'm sitting out here, but today I'm gonna make you a fire and I'm gonna cook something on that fire. I've been wanting to do a meal like this for a while, like over the fire. I've created a little contraption that I'll take you through, and yeah, it's gonna be an awesome cook. The meal that I'm cooking today is brought to you by Adele Martins. Adele, I don't know who you are, but thank you for the recipe. It's gonna be really nice. So I'm attempting to make her vegetable paella. That's kind of what we're gonna do there. Get a little bit healthy. It's the right time to start eating healthy and slimming up and doing the right things, you know? I'm gonna make us a fire. I'm gonna start this whole process and I'll take you through some ingredients in a little while. Lekker. Fun fact about pine cones. Pine cones are like a natural fire lighter. So yeah, instead of using actual fire lighters, we often use pine cones to ignite the fire a little bit lekker. The fire is built, as you can see over there. I just wanna, before we light it and before we start getting flames involved, I wanna show you how we're actually gonna be able to do this. So as you can see, 2 chairs on the side there, acting as support beams. It's like a proper cast iron, nice pot for the fire. So as you can see, this is a little beam with some wire and a hook on there. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's gonna go over the fire like that, like so. Let's get some flames into this joy. Come on. Oh, there's flames. Come on. Yes, come on. Come on, come on, come on. There's flames. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. I love fires. I absolutely love a good fire. Oh, yes. Like a fire on the go. Fire's cracking away there, as you can see. So I just thought I would take you through a few ingredients for this meal. Exciting, I've never done this before. I've never ever done a paella before. I know traditionally a paella has like a whole bunch of seafood in it and a whole bunch of cool stuff. To get into some ingredients, once again, thank you to Adele Martins. It's a very cool recipe book. It's a vegetarian bride. Start off with the basic ingredients. We're going with 1 onion, garlic cloves, these baby tomatoes, and chop a couple of them up and chuck them in. Some pepper, a punnet of mushrooms, smoked paprika, and turmeric. Some rice, some olive oil, 1 nice red chili, some lentils, white wine. We're gonna use, the recipe says half a cup, but we'll add how much we need. 2 cups of vegetable stock, a half a cup of frozen peas to add onto this. Just to go with the meal, I thought this is garlic bread. This is just 4 little mini garlic bread rolls that I found in the freezer now, and I'll probably just chuck it in and amongst the fire so that it cooks in the fire. And then that's gonna be our meal. Vegetarian paella with garlic bread. What I've done is I've chopped, it's always good to be planned, so I've chopped everything in order. So this is going to be cooked first, then this, and then I'll put the rest of the ingredients in to make the rest of the meal. We're gonna have to wait a couple more minutes for this. It seems like the fire is just a bit too hot there. But yeah, that's no problem. We're all ready to go. This is so much fun. I love this. I love doing this shit. Whew. I can't really turn it off.
You probably need it.
Whew, that looks so good. Look at that, guys. Wow. How did I get that right? I am shocked. I'm actually shocked. I didn't think I would make this. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. So yeah, I'm super stoked about how this is all coming out. I'm really happy. I'm gonna let this cook away. I'll see you guys in a bit. I've got some wine to drink. Yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy this time and see how it goes. Alright, so you kind of want it to cook down. I don't know if you can see how it's actually cooked all the moisture away. It must almost be like dry, like a dry dish. There must almost be no sauce left. That means that the rice has cooked it all up. As you can see, we got a lot of there. Oh, look how good that's looking. So this has probably got about another 15 or so minutes. I'm gonna put the garlic bread in, let that cook away. Look how perfectly primed this setup is. Hey, but yeah, we should be eating pretty soon. So I've cleaned up everything. I'm gonna make sure that everything is ready to go, and I'll see you guys when the rest of the meal is done. Woo! Well, that's it for another video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please show some love, however that might be. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And yeah, share this if you want someone to make this meal, and share it. It's absolutely amazing. So for all my vegetarian and vegan friends, this is a brilliant meal that you guys can make, and you can try and do it over the fire like I did it today. Otherwise, just cook it on a normal stove. You guys are the best. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next week. Lekker, cheers.